Good morning, Mr. Guzman. Sir, you're charged with criminal trespass. You're facing up to a year in jail because of the deadly weapon paragraph. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, sir.
On February 2nd, 2025, at approximately 5:30 p.m., officer was dispatched to 1201 Spencer Highway in Harris County, Texas, for a criminal trespass. Upon arrival, officers made contact with the complaining witness, who stated that the defendant attempted to stab him with a knife in the parking lot. Officers attempted to make contact with the defendant, and the defendant began running north through a strip center and tried to hide behind the strip center. The officers told the defendant to get on the ground and to continue to walk toward officers and refused to take his hands out of his pocket. The defendant was arrested. Officers retraced the defendant's path and located a knife. The defendant admitted to having the knife and stated several males tried to jump him in the parking lot. The defendant stated one male tried to stab him and he was defending himself. Officers spoke to the complaining witness again. They said that he was in the store purchasing items and the defendant was asked to leave by the employees in the store. The complaining witness stated that the defendant refused to leave and got into a verbal altercation with the employees. The defendant left, then waited outside in the parking lot and started asking people for money. The complaining witness told the defendant that employees had asked him to leave. The defendant pulled out a knife and brandished it in his hand and started walking towards the complaining witness. The complaining witness stated that there was about 25 feet between them, and they saw the defendant walk toward the complaining witness.
So he goes back into the store after he leaves and after they told him to leave.
Yes.
Okay. Mr. Guzman, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. Let me tell you that you're lucky that you're not charged with multiple felonies as well as it is. You know, I am ordering you not to be in possession of weapons and not to go back to this place. Do you understand?
Sure.
If I find that you become a danger to my community, I only have one place for you, Mr. Guzman.
Sir.
You know, really. Do you need a lawyer today, Mr. Guzman?
Sir, I do.
Okay. I already have an affidavit and Deputy Randall. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have you go sign a receipt with Victoria. We'll have you take a seat in the jury box. I'm going to find you a lawyer here momentarily. Do not leave until you sign our bond conditions.
Sir.
You have missed court once. This is your second PR bond that they gave you. You will not get another one. If you miss court again, I'm telling you, your bond will, no more PR bonds. Do you understand?
Thank you for
giving you a lawyer. All you need to do is stay out of trouble. Make wise decisions.
Sir, could I say,
No,
I just want to thank you for,
Just,
I called last week when I was supposed to come. I had a car problem. I didn't think, thank you for giving me the second chance on the PR bond. You know, I mean, it was, I called, I understand.
now, all I'm asking you to do is make good decisions.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I understand, sir.
Give you a lawyer here momentarily. Just, all right. All right. Hang tight. Let me have you sign the reset and then we'll have you go back.
Thanks, sir.
All right. You are you Wesley Williams? Right. Okay. Daniel Wilson. Okay. Mr. Wilson, you were charged with theft. You were facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, sir.
On August 18th, 2023, complaining witness saw the defendant enter the store, which was a Dick's Sporting Goods, and try on a pair of sunglasses and then request to try on a pair of shoes. The defendant tried on the shoes and placed them back in the box and continued to browse. He then selected a pair of socks and then put the socks and the shoes on and exited the aisle and made no attempt to pay the merchandise with sale. So the value of the goods was $185. Officer reviewed the video and confirmed that there was no attempt made to pay for the goods. The complaining witness was able to recognize the defendant from one of his prior booking photos using a photo.
What does that mean, prior booking photos from? I'm guessing he has a prior theft at the same place.
He does have a prior theft charge. Let me look up the story.
Does he have any open cases right now?
No judge does this theft. The previous theft was from a different store.
Mr. Wilson, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. I'm ordering you now not to go to any Dick's Sporting Goods at all, anywhere. Do you understand? I'm going to protect everyone in my city and everything. If I find that you become a danger, I only have one place for you. Do you understand? That's not an answer. So better. You have this air of arrogance to you, Mr. Wilson, but you're now here. Really? Do you have the ability to hire a lawyer? Okay. We're going to reset your case to give you time to hire a lawyer. I'm going to have you sign a reset with Victoria. We'll have you take a seat in the jury box while we get your bond conditions. We'll have you sign it and then you'll be free to go, sir. You, Luis Gilberto Rodriguez.
Sir.
Mr. Rodriguez, you were charged with reckless driving. You were facing up to 30 days in jail and or a $500 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, sir.
14 officers were assigned to traffic crimes unit in Harris County, Texas on an operation targeting illegal street racing and parking lot takeovers in an undercover capacity. An officer at 11737 East Tex Freeway in Harris County, Texas, observed the driver of a 2007 flatbed Ranch with one multiple donuts in the parking lot. The vehicle was maneuvered in tight circular motions, causing the rear tires to lose traction and produce visible smoke and altercation. Diagram headed towards the exit of the parking lot when the vehicle executed a burnout, causing its tires to emit smoke and a loud screeching noise. As the driver of the diagram initiated a turn to proceed east on East Mount Houston Road, while the vehicle fishtailed. During the maneuver, the diagram flew closely, striking several vehicles, almost 200 multiple accidents. The officers conducted a traffic stop on the vehicle.
Got it. Can you look to see any priors of this same or similar nature? Please?
Yes, Judge, I'm not showing any criminal history.
No? Okay. Mr. Rodriguez, or one more thing, if you can look for a license, please, valid license. Mr. Rodriguez, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with the case. Let me just give you a little warning that the Texas legislature has made it very easy for DAs across the state of Texas to seize and take cars for people who participate in this type of activity. In fact, I think that there was a news conference maybe 2 days ago where they're cracking down on this type of behavior. And I've seen it where here we have people who've had their cars seized and taken when they're multiple times in this. Do you understand?
Valid driver's license.
I'm ordering you as a condition of your bond not to participate in any street takeovers, donuts, reckless driving, anything of this nature. If I find that you do, I will revoke your bond, put you in jail,
Yes, sir.
and then I will take your driving privileges away.
Sir.
Do you understand?
Sir.
So do you mind filing that? No reckless driving, donuts, et cetera. All right, Mr. Rodriguez, how old are you, sir?
18, sir.
Do you have the ability to hire a lawyer? Would you like to apply for a court-appointed lawyer? Deputy Miranda, Deputy Miranda's going to give you an application. I'll have you sign a receipt of Victoria while you take a seat in the jury box. Do not leave until you sign our bond conditions. You
Yes, sir.
understand?